mold industry has a wide range of applications, from automobiles and home appliances to medical devices and electronic products, etc., which have different requirements for mold respectively. This diverse demand has led to the formation of different professional decorations in the mold industry, with each field having specific technical requirements and production process. For example, the automotive industry has extremely high requirements for mold accuracy and durability, while other industries may have higher concerns about the cost or production speed. Design and manufacture of automotive molds involves a variety of fields such as mechanical design, material science, precision engineering, etc. This interdisciplinary knowledge system requires professionals with highly specialized skills. As a one-stop service manufacturer for injection molding, our engineers not only have years of hands-on mold experience, but also have strong theoretical knowledge.